Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update for sending direct messages on Messenger using your PC. It's never been easier, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Messenger app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. You can easily access Messenger through your web browser as well. Just head to messenger.com and you're all set. Once you're inside the app or website, look for the new chat icon. This is usually represented by a speech bubble with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on it to start a new conversation. Now it's time to find the person you want to message. You can use the search bar that appears to type in their name. Messenger will automatically show you matching results. Just click on the name of the person you'd like to chat with. With your friend selected, you can now type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat window. Whether it's a quick hello, a funny meme, or anything in between, just let your creativity flow. When you're ready to send your message, simply press enter on your keyboard. And there you go. 4 simple steps to send direct messages on Messenger from your PC. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging, and happy